ice do get cold. Gotta push them down, get them in there, move them around. It's about to rain, so I'm hurrying. Today I'm picking up a thermometer from Leslie Pools. That's where my boss got his pool supply, gets his pool supply stuff, and I know they carry them, so I'll be picking up a thermometer for this. The rain stopped the video. So I'm gonna get back in. Damn it. I'll make sure you're recording real quick. All right, it's recording. God damn it. I'm gonna count this time. Okay. The rain stopped the video last time, so I'm in again. I'm just gonna count. I'm not gonna talk trash. You know, that really sucks. I need to put a shield. What I said in the last video was, no idea. No idea. You know, this would be the 4th time, or 2 in one day, or just an extra long cold plunge. See, it's not as bad right now because I just got out, so my body's kind of used to it in a way, I guess. I don't know. My breathing is way more stable. It sucks. Damn it. They better still be recording. If not, you're just gonna have to trust me. What I was saying is, if you move around more, you get the full effect of the cold water because your body creates a thermal layer around it from your body heat, and it kind of keeps you warm in a way. So the more you move, the colder you feel the entire time. You don't get that thermal layer to shield you from the cold water. So the more you move, the better it is for you, I guess, or the worse it is. As my hypothermia kicks in. I do notice that I get like an energy boost, and there's definitely an endorphin rush. Guys, I feel like giggly. Even though this sucks. This sucks. For real, there's nothing to be giggling about. The pool, the tub, is called Wet Dew. Well, it's definitely not wet wee, because that's not funny either. Please tell me it's been 3 minutes already. Oh, goodness. All right, I'm getting out. It's got to have been 3 by now. And if not, I've got way more than 3. Y'all just have to trust me, guys. Okay. That's it. That's it. That sucks that I lost the first one. But I'm done. Thank you for watching. Day 3 times 2, day 88, whatever.